Hey gang, welcome back to Inverted Pursuits Laboratory, and today we are back out at KMK Ranch to do some more rocket launches. What we're going to be launching today is a fairly simple lineup of rockets. So we're going to be testing a Little Nick prototype, a Macy prototype, and maybe all of these prototypes. These are prototype wedding rockets for our marriage in a year. So some little table topper things that we're also looking at potentially being able to fly. So we just printed some stuff out and we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, this is the super tiny, what we're calling the wedding rocket. Not 100% sure what's gonna happen, but we're gonna watch.
From behind him.
Indeed. Alright. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, that actually flew.
Nice.
Alright. Little Nick test flight on an A83. Alright, everyone ready? Alright. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, Mom.
That went really well. So, that went over the head and actually landed right there.
Careful. I'm not going to touch it. I just show you where it came down.
I'm just going to stand here with the thing. It's just right there. And our launch pad's right there. That's why this one is designed as a park flyer. Imagine that. It worked as designed. Alright, this is the Little Nick again on a B66. And the last test flight went really well. So we'll see how a second flight goes. Alright, everyone ready? You ready? Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so a gust of wind got that one and turned it not too far off the pad. And it went way out in the bean field. And we walked the bean field for 20 minutes here or so and couldn't find it. So on to the next rocket to test. So we're 2 rockets lost and
hey, but no
3
Katos.
tests in. Yeah, no Katos. 3 tests in. At least we've proven it flies pretty well on the A and B. A is a little bit more preferable for park flying, but B will have we'll do a larger park, like if you're in a football field or something. I'd do pretty well there. The test flight of Macy on a B66. Shouldn't go very high. Should be our nice park flyer height for this rocket.
Good cameraman.
All right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's gonna open up real low, just gonna tell you.
Firecracker!
Yeah, or it's gonna go off like a firecracker. That was a new, interesting thing to have happen.
Ejected the motor though.
It did, that was surprising. It shouldn't have done that. But then again, it is only a pressure fit motor, so. Also, that motor went off rather aggressively.
Yeah, we might be in pieces.
That went off a little harder than they usually do.
She's already impacted though.
Nope, she was still in there.
She's still here?
Oh yeah, here she is. Well, still in one piece too.
Nice.
Actually didn't even melt the top. I'm impressed.
Are you filming it all?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
This is you bouncing around. It's cool to the touch. Completely cool to touch.
that's impressive. I
did
don't even know
well.
where the motor went,
I
but
don't know either.
want to try it on a bigger one?
Sure.
That you may have just heard. We're working with what we have on hand, and all I have is a B66. This rocket is really more designed for a B64 with the delay charge timing. A B66, the motor just goes off the ejection charge just goes off way too close to the ground. So it's a little concerning. So we're flying on a C63 now. It's going to go a lot higher. This rocket does have a slightly chipped nozzle, so it may flip. We'll see what happens. May have a nose diver. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So it's gonna spin.
Let's say loud sound. I don't know if you guys can see this, but here's the motor that had the chip in it. And you can see how it completely burned sideways. And that resulted in it just spinning. Because basically the thrust only went in one off side direction this way. After that entertaining flight on Macy, we're going to give her a try on an A83. I've done this test before. Doesn't go very far, but it ought to be fun to watch. So, all right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
When the motor flies farther than the rocket.
All right. Thanks for watching, gang. We're going to round out today with a final test of our wedding rocket, which we still have one we're going to keep back for just looking at and doing some general staring, but we're going to end with the purple one of these going for a flight.
What if I plug the battery in?
Yep. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was hilarious.
Oh my goodness.